Hello everyone. Kem cho? I am Simran. Like every Gujarati, I love to travel. And especially the long family trips abroad are the best. ગુજરાતીઓ મોટા ગ્રુપમાં friends and family સાથે ટૂર કરવાનું પસંદ કરે છે. When we come back, I miss all the comforts and conveniences. So my friends told me about Gift City and its global lifestyle. It's just a 20-minute drive from Ahmedabad. My friends suggested Shobha Elysia, built by one of India's most trusted builders with a legacy of 3 decades and an international footprint. So let's go and check it out. Gift City, હું આવી રહી છું. Wow, definitely a few extra brownie points to my friends for the recommendation. Such an easy drive. I mean, if you're flying down, the airport is just like 20 minutes away. Wow. This is India's answer to global financial hubs such as New York, London, Hong Kong, and Dubai. Gujarat International Finance Tech City is a central business district connected to Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, the political and financial capitals of Gujarat. It has easy access to the international airport, metro, railway station and bullet train terminus. The 886-acre city is the epicenter of a global lifestyle with eco-friendly infrastructure, futuristic buildings, green spaces and water bodies. The country's first operational greenfield smart city hosts 35 fintech companies and 23 plus multinational banks, and India's first international bullion exchange. The only pan-India developer to have handed over apartments in Gift City is Shobha. Since 2019, Shobha has crafted premium luxury residences here, like Shobha Dream Heights and Shobha Avalon. I am excited to see the latest and most glamorous one. Now let's go to the Shobha Elysia Experience Center for a truly international experience. Javado. Lovely, isn't it? A truly international project from the house of Shobha, one of India's most trusted real estate developers. Established in 1995, this premium listed company has crafted over 548 iconic projects across the country. Shobha's in-house design and manufacturing facilities enables them to deliver homes with world-class quality. So have you ever heard of a museum for homes? I will show you something that will help you understand the quality achieved in Shobha Elysia. The Shobha Museum here shows intricate designs and construction processes that go into crafting every single home. Shobha revolutionized the industry with backward integration, which includes precision engineering, innovative design, production of superior materials, and top-notch interiors. And guess what? Harvard Business Review has developed a case study on their backward integration model. Barabar! ઘરે સ્વાગત છે, and what a home it is. Let's do a walkthrough and see this ultra luxurious space. The main door is very well engineered with silicone seal to reduce noise and dust. It also has a concealed light. The home comes with superior quality flooring and is perfectly finished. The walls are very smooth. Shobha performs 8 layers of wall finishing. The living and dining area is great for family time and hosting friends.
You can enjoy grand parties and festivals here. અને ખાસ કરીને દિવાળી માટે perfect છે. There's nothing like large balconies.
વાવ, આ કેટલું સુંદર છે.
And this runs across the living and dining area. The sliding doors are very sturdy and soundproof. Amazing.
Imagine enjoying the morning tea with gorgeous views of Gift City for a lifetime. Each step guides the way to smart living. Tucked away in a corner is the carefully designed home office, just perfect to focus on work. There's also an alcove which can be used as a puja room or a library.
આજે જમવામાં શું છે? Food is love, and in Gujarat, it's a big deal. The kitchen is the heart of every home. It has an attached pantry, utility, and storage area. There's a lot of space to accommodate your appliances. અને મોડર્ન ઘરમાં laundry room તો હોવું જ જોઈએ. Your laundry deserves a place of its own. There is a slender room hidden beside the corridor for your washing machine and other utilities. Next to it is the powder room. So convenient, right? And now, the most important part of the home, the master bedroom. There is space for a large wardrobe and vanity area. You can indulge yourself in the well-lit bathroom and bright tiling and fixtures. The wall-mount WC and glass shower partition maintain hygiene.
What I like best is the private balcony. To gaze into the beautiful horizon. તમારા મહેમાનોના સ્વાગત માટે સ્પેશિયસ ગેસ્ટ રૂમ વિથ બે વિન્ડો. The kids' room is very cheerful and airy. Perfect for your little ones. There's another bedroom where you can host your family and friends.
And now, for the big picture, Shobha Elysia stands tall
With a modern facade.
Every detail reflects international standards. Spread over 2.65 acres with 2 towers, Shobha Elysia is for a like-minded community of global urbanites.
560 modern 3 and 4 bed residences with home offices and 12 duplexes. Centrally located between the 2 towers are the lavish duplex residences with magnificent views and impeccable cross ventilation. These finely crafted homes are situated above the swimming pool. The Sky Lounge is just above with access to the most desirable lifestyle. There's 4 basement and 2 level stilt parking along with a skip floor and 35 floors for the residences. The high performance glass provides optimal temperatures all year. The towers have a dynamic arrangement of bay windows and balconies for an international look. The Sky Lounge on the 18th floor is for leisure and co-working. It has breathtaking views. There are vehicle-free, pedestrian-friendly walkways around the towers. The pool area has one section under the open sky and the other part under the shade.
Shobha Elysia has an array of amenities catering to wellness and community bonding. There are community spaces like the celebration lawn, multi-purpose hall for gatherings and cultural events like Garba, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali celebrations, and also
We have the magnificent two-storied club Spectra, spread across 20,000 square feet,
good health is the essence of Shobha Elysia.
which encourages the walk-to-work culture of Gift City. And of course, the world-class gymnasium and fitness spaces. Full-on Jalsa at Shobha Elysia, where every family member has something to do.
What a fulfilling day. I really feel my family would love a home like this. By the way, I found out something amazing while talking to the Shobha team. Before handing over every single home, Shobha performs 1,456 quality checks. No wonder. More than 25,000 families are proud to be Shobha home owners across India. Visit the Shobha Elysia Experience Center today. તમે શેની રાહ જુઓ છો? Book your luxury home at Shobha Elysia now.
Come, live a lifestyle that's truly international.